If you've never had a cornflake cookie, you're missing out on one of the easiest, most addictive treats out there. Stick around, I'll show you why this retro favorite is still a total keeper. Hi, I'm Christina from It Is a Keeper and CakeMixRecipes.com. I share tried and true recipes that anyone can make. I believe if you can read, you can cook. Today, I'm showing you how to make cornflake cookies, a simple no-bake treat right from Grandma's recipe box that comes together in minutes and hits all the right notes. To make it easier for you, I included a link to the full printable recipe in the video description below, so make sure you grab it. All right, so the first thing we need to do for our cornflake cookies is get our mixture going. So here I have just a saucepan over like a medium-high heat, and I'm going to add some sugar and some corn syrup. Let's get all that out. And to this stickiness, I'm going to add some peanut butter. I just love this plunger measuring cup. It makes handling sticky ingredients so simple. And we're going to stir this together until everything comes together. The sugar melts, the peanut butter melts, and it comes to a boil. So this is one of those recipes that you don't want to walk away from because it boils quickly and you have to stir it frequently so the sugar doesn't burn. So I'm just constantly moving this around, keeping it going. You want to boil it for 2 minutes. And if you have to control your heat, just adjust your heat, turning it up or down. You don't want it at a big, angry boil. You want it just like a nice little, like it's doing here, bubbling around the edges, in the center, but keep stirring it so that it doesn't burn. Okay, I think we're done. It's been about 2 minutes. I'm going to remove this from the heat and I'm going to stir in some vanilla. You don't want to do this while it's on the heat. You don't want that vanilla extract to boil away. Perfect. Okay, so in our bowl here, I have just some cornflake cereal, just plain cornflakes, about 6 cups or so. And then I'm going to pour our peanut butter corn syrup mixture right over the top. It's sticky, it's gooey. It smells so good. All right. And then gently fold everything together. Now, if you had a big enough pot, you could easily just pour the cornflakes right into your pot. That's fine too. Less dishes to clean up. And we just want to make sure everything gets evenly coated. And I'm trying not to break the cornflakes as I'm stirring, but I'm going deep in the bowl here to make sure the bottom is getting coated. Sets up fast. Okay, looking good. So this sets up pretty quickly. So you want to move fast once you add the cornflakes and take the mixture off the heat. So what I'm going to do is get my cookie sheets in and start scooping these out. Okay, so here I have my handy cookie scoop. You don't need it. You could use 2 spoons if you'd like. I like the bigger one for this because it makes a nice pile here. And we're just going to scoop these onto the tray. Now these are no-bake cookies, so we're not going to worry about them spreading or anything like that. So you can probably get 3 in there, and you can use your fingers to help mold them into a nice shape. They're looking good. This is a great recipe for kids to help with too. Be careful with this mixture though. The hot corn syrup and sugar, it will burn your fingers. So be very, very careful. These cookies look amazing, shiny, crunchy, and just the right amount of chewy. You don't even need to turn on your oven. Here's a tip. You can swap the cornflakes for Rice Krispies or even crushed pretzels for a sweet and salty twist. You can add sprinkles or food coloring to make them festive, or you can drizzle some chocolate over the top to that chocolate peanut butter flavor. I just can't wait to dig in. So I'm gonna grab this guy right here. Oh. These are so good. They remind me of my grandma making them at the holidays every year. They're crunchy, they're chewy, they're so peanut buttery, and they are definitely a keeper. These cookies are foolproof, fast, and a total crowd pleaser, whether you're whipping them up for a bake sale or a late night snack. Now, make sure you share this video with someone else who loves good food, and don't forget to grab that printable recipe in the video description below. Thanks for cooking with me today. If you love easy retro treats like this, you have to check out my video for Jif peanut butter cookies. They're easy to make and just as addictive. I'll meet you over there.